morning. Welcome to another fabulous episode of How Many Tabs Are Open on Mr. Johnson's Computer. Looks like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. 13 tabs. Alright, so I just got signed out. Cool. Let's get signed back in. Randomness. Okay. So today's assignment basically is the same kind of stuff that you've been doing since probably 4th grade. So what they're going to give you is they're going to give you a number, and then you are going to show all the different versions of that number. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to walk us through at least some of these. All right. So first one, 1700ths. So type your word form, 1700ths. There we go. All right. Expanded notation. Remember, this one is where we add parts. All right. So we have 1/10 plus 700ths. You don't even need the parentheses, to be honest. So, and if you expanded notation is when you take the original place values and put them together. So there's the 1/10 plus the 700ths. Base 10, we need 1/10. And let's see, copy 700ths, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And then if it were on a number line, it would be about, if this is 0 and this is 1, 1700ths would be about right there. Type number here and move. Oh, I see. So we're going to write 1700ths. Ah, I think we are. There we go, 1700ths. Okay, we'll take 1700ths and we'll label it. So it's about right there. If there is 0, there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tenths. So 1700ths should be right there. 1700ths is a fraction. You have 17 as your numerator. Oops. And you have 100 as your denominator. 1700ths. Yep, there we go. We just showed 1700ths in word form, expanded notation, base 10, on a number line, and fractions. Alrighty. The only thing that I think you might have a little trouble with is showing 23 thousandths, because we don't have a thousandth in base 10. So, I don't think you have to worry about the 3 thousandths on that one, because I don't think that represents a thousandth, even though I think that's what they were trying to say. So other than that, everything else should be pretty straightforward. So all you're doing is you're taking the number, and then you are showing all of the different forms: the word form, the fraction form, the expanded notation, the base 10, except for the 23 thousandths one. You will not have the ability to make that over here. And other than that, yeah, that should be it. So I just went over the one slide. You should be able to do the rest of them pretty easily yourself. And then let's just take a look at your exit ticket. So explain how 3/10 can be written as a fraction. 3/10. How can you prove the decimal 3/10 and the fraction that you have written have the same value? Say them out loud. 3/10. 3/10. It's the same thing. Look at the number line below to answer your question. Right now, we're looking at something between 5/10 and 6/10. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800ths. So 5/10 plus 800ths is what? 5/10 plus 800ths. And then finally, look at the number line below to answer the question. What fractional value does the U represent? So same thing. Same exact thing, 5/10, 800ths. So what was the answer to this one? Oops. And then say it in fraction form and pick your answer. All right. So that should help you with all that stuff. You're almost done with your 5th grade stuff. 2 more days after this. So I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later, and I'll see you later. Bye.